Introducing the toughest grass in Texas. If your yard is wide open to that intense Texas sun, Bermuda grass is your champion. Everyone knows Bermuda is tough, but most people think they have to choose between ugly common grass or a high-maintenance golf course turf. At Houston Grass, we offer two hybrid varieties that give you that elite professional look without the professional level headache. TexTurf 10 is the homeowner's hybrid. First up is TexTurf 10, a hybrid developed by Texas A&M specifically for our local conditions. It's a close cousin to the Bermuda that grows naturally here, but it stays clean and green without those excessive seed heads you see on common grass. It's dense, feels like a carpet under your feet, and handles our heavy gumbo clay soils exceptionally well. If your kids play soccer or your dogs tear through the yard, this grass repairs itself faster than almost any other. Best of all, you can keep it looking great with a sharp, traditional rotary mower. Tifway 419 is the gold standard showpiece. Now, if you want the absolute gold standard, that's Tifway 419. This is the grass you see on championship golf courses and professional football fields across Texas. It features a fine-bladed texture and a deep, vibrant green color that really sets a landscape apart. It's engineered for sports, meaning if it can handle a 250-pound linebacker, it can handle your golden retriever. It loves nitrogen fertilizer, and for that manicured golf course look, it performs best when kept closely mown with a reel mower. The must-know sunlight rule. There is one non-negotiable with any Bermuda: sunlight. These varieties need at least 8 hours of direct, 100% sunlight every single day to thrive. If you have big oak trees or heavy shade, Bermuda will disappear in a hurry. In those cases, we should be talking about St. Augustine instead. The Houston Grass Quality Guarantee. We grow both of these varieties right down the road at our family farm in Bay City. Our grass isn't sitting on a pallet in a retail parking lot for days. It's cut fresh and delivered to your project within 24 hours. We sell by the 450 square foot pallet, offer professional installation, and deliver to most areas across Houston and the surrounding counties. Get your project started. Because we know exactly how our grass is grown, we can say its quality is second to none in Houston. Give us a call at 281-431-7441 or visit HoustonTurfGrass.com to get a quote and find the right grass for your specific piece of Texas. Let's get your project started.